Magandang umaga. Dito nga po pala tayo sa Barangay Kuwayan kung saan nangyari ang 5.5 na lindol. Dulot po ito ng malawakang pagbaha at landslide. Ito nga pala si April Santos upang igulat ang mga nasalanta ng lindol.
Maraming salamat, Greg. Magandang umaga. Ako si April. Kasalukuyan tayo nandito ngayon sa lugar ng ating mga. Kamusta naman po ang inyong kabuhayan ngayong pagkatapos kayo ng salamat? Wala po yung dalawang akong anak.
Kami na wala kami ng kabuhayan.
What to do before an earthquake?
Make sure you have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Learn first aid. Don't leave heavy objects on shelves. Make up a plan where you should meet your family or relatives after an earthquake. Don't leave heavy objects on shelves. Anchor heavy furniture or appliances to walls or floor. Learn the earthquake plan at your school or workplace.
What to do during an earthquake?
Stay calm. Stand against the wall. Stand in a doorway or crawl under heavy furniture. Stay away from windows and outside doors. Stay in the open away from power lines or anything that might fall. Stay away from buildings. Don't use matches or anything. Don't get landslines and fires. Don't use elevators.
What to do after an earthquake?
Protect yourself and other injuries. Check water and gas and electric lines damaged to the radio. Don't use the phone unless it's an emergency. Stay out of damaged buildings. Be careful around broken glass and debris. Be careful in beaches. Stay away from beaches because tsunami may occur. Stay away from damaged areas. Follow the emergency plan or instructions of the person in charge. Expect aftershock and be safe.
Earthquake or earth tremor. Earthquake is a sudden shaking of ground caused by the passage of seismic waves through Earth's rocks. Causes earthquake can be released by elastic strain, gravity, chemical reactions, or even the motion of massive bodies. Earthquakes occur most often along geologic faults. Earth's major earthquakes occur mainly in belts coinciding with the margins of tectonic plates. The most important earthquakes belt is the Circum-Pacific Belt, also known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Earthquakes have varied effects, including changes in geologic features, damage to man-made structures, and impact on human and animal life. Hazards of earthquakes, including loss of life and property, flood, tsunami, volcanic activity, and landslide. For you to inform again, plan with your family. Designate safe place. Keep a flashlight and sturdy shoes by each person's bed. Practice drop, cover, and hold in each safe place.
Earthquake is a natural calamity that can occur anytime and anywhere on the Earth's surface. Causes lots of disturbance to the living beings and useful natural resources. People, are you ready?